Hello, I'm Thinev. Today I'll be talking about a bird that looks just like flames. The Orange Minivet. The Orange Minivet is a brightly colored bird in the Kokushite family. It is found all along the Western Ghats and West Coast, Eastern and Northern India, Sri Lanka and South-east Asia. Male is decked out in black and orange-red, female in grey and yellow. Male lacks small minivets, contrasting grey crown and back. Travels in flocks, sometimes mixed in with other species. Its natural habitats are temperate forests, subtropical or tropical moist lowland forests, a subtropical or tropical moist montane forest. Their calls are like locally named Dilirath Miniwiththa. I have not seen Orange Minivet. One such place you can see them is Sembhuvatha Lake. Sembhuvatha Lake is a man-made lake surrounded by the most beautiful trees, tea plantations and forests. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for my next video about the yellow-crowned woodpecker.